bone condition was very good. All of the bone was the hard bone case. So we placed the 4 implant very easily. After placing the implant, we connecting the ready-made titanium customized document like this and put in a shell and put in a denture, but this is a very removable type. Why? Non-rigid connections. This is the corners denture type, but this is not good for the loading controls. So surgery and matching the prosthetics is very easy, but in a biomechanical view, from the biomechanical view, rigid connection is more better. So after surgery, we lost in the, yes, this clinical result was very nice. Implant position was very nice. After 1 month, the 2 implants was loose. This 2 implants, so I changed and connecting the rigid connection using the bar and making a 3 attachment above the bar like this. It is more safer than corner denture types because this is the rigid connection. And then put in a distal denture like this. So there are a lot of prosthetic options. So if you want some things, we can make everything. So nowadays we prepared the oral systems. And we have 30 minutes. It's very nice. And this is the future. Future, not only future, and nowadays I tried some things. My job is always find the distal DNA. As I mentioned before, this is the color code systems. So can you see this image? Where is the bone boundary? Okay, I zoom in up. What color is the bone boundary? Yellow, dim yellow is the bone boundary, right? So I choose this color and then press the OK button. After that, this icon file change into the STL files. It means we can use this skirt STL file into the CAD/CAM systems. It's very important. So we call icon file change into the STL files as a STLization. It's a new word, so I don't know about the pronunciations, but many states teachers say STLization is quite good. They say. So it means like this. When patient visited, taking a CV sitting, and we can see there's some bone defect here. So I changed the icon file into the STL files. And this STL file put in a CAD system, and we can draw the bone which you want. And then using the CAD machines, we can build out or print out the bone. It's a customized bone blocks, right? So technically, we solved all of the problems. Actually, when I draw this bone, I send this file to the Italy. And one of the Italian university, they research about the Swiss bone blocks. But unfortunately, this bone block is 100% hydroxyapatite. So clinical result is not good. The most important thing is we have to count the sum in biomaterials. Which material is the best result we can make? This is the dilemma. If we find the materials, we can use the Swiss bone block in our daily practice. So this is our team's future implant concepts. So taking a CBCT, after that making a virtual planning like this, and then we can draw the bone and put out the STL files, and we can make the bone blocks. Nowadays we are interested in 2 ways. One is the milling the other is the 3D printings. So actually, our group is have interest in the 3D printing systems. After that, put in a 3D bone plug and apply some nice proteins. After healing period, using a stent, we can serve the minimally invasive surgery. This is our future implantology customs. So the biomaterial is very important. Anyway, we have to found the biomaterial and we have to found the solutions. So, and as I mentioned before, in a complex case, we can change the whole of the patient's head position, head information as STL files. For what? For what? Making a treatment plan. So in some cases, we can change the patient root and crown, change it to STL files. And if you control this tooth, what is this? This is orthodontics, right? So click the tooth and rotating or move tooth. This is the orthodontic versions. So maybe after summer we will show the very easy orthodontic treatment. Virtual, not only virtual, but also real orthodontic treatment. Some of the issue is the transplantations. So in this case, this patient really wanted to do the transplantations. I hate the implants. I need my third molar. So we make the third molar as the STLs and put out the virtually, extract the virtually and put in a third molar like this. And we can see this kind of situation and print out the third molar using the 3D printer. And using this third molar, we prepared the site preparation first. In the transplantation procedures, extraction time is very important. Because if you put out the tooth, the periodontal ligament is degenerations, so minimum time is very important. So using this kind of the dummy, we already prepare the site, and then extract and put in. And with the connection, after the endodontic treatment, make the natural crown like this. So using RK, not only implant dentistry, we can do everything. This is the thinking of the distal rays. How about this?